In this video, I will be showing you how to use Docker to install n8n, which is it's paid if you use it online, but if you're able to host it locally, then you can do it for free, and then you can do cool stuff like automate video production with Sora 2, upload to YouTube, earn some money. But this video will cover how to use Docker to set up n8n. So here's what you do. First, download Docker and pick obviously the system that you have. For me, it'll be the Windows one. Once the setup has downloaded, just let's go ahead and install it. Once the Docker installation is complete, you might have to restart your PC. So we will go ahead and do that. Okay, so once your PC has restarted, what you want to do is open up the Docker installation. Go to Images, search images to run, and here type n8n, and it's going to be this one, and it's n-io n8n. What you want to do is go to the latest one and pull. Okay, once the pull has been completed, you want to do is click on run, optional settings, container name. I am going to call this n8n local. Host name, I'm going to keep the same. I'm just going to randomly create one. For host path, this is the folder where you want your n8n to be. So you can just create one, open. For container path, it's /home /node /n8n. For environment variables, we have none for now, so we'll just click on run. Okay, once this is done, it'll say editor is now accessible. We will click on this link. So if it doesn't start for you, just go ahead and manually restart this. Once that is done, you should be able to just click on this and it'll bring you to this. Here, you will need to sign up for an account. So once this is done, once you sign up, you should see this thing that says get paid features for free. What you want to do here is send yourself a free license key and you can activate it. But yeah, there you go. You have everything you need here. You can, create a workflow from scratch, fully local. It's free and you can do anything you want with this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set this to be running on the cloud using ngrok and some other stuff. But I'll also show you how to use Sora 2 with this.